Welcome back, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to install Claude Code on a Windows operating system. To get started, open up your favorite web browser and search for Claude Code download. Go ahead and hit enter. Skip past the sponsored ads at the top, scroll down a bit, and click on the link for the Claude Code Desktop Edition. I've also placed this direct link down in the video description for you. Once you're on the page, make sure you're on the Overview tab. As we scroll down, you'll see a few different download options to get Claude running locally on your system. We're going to use a specific installation command, but to run it, you'll need Git Bash installed on your machine. If you don't have it yet, open a new tab and search for Git Download. Download the installer for your specific Windows version and launch the setup file. Grant administrative permissions by clicking Yes. From here, we're going to fly through the setup wizard using the default settings. Just click Next again, review the options, and keep hitting Next through the prompts. Leave everything at its default value and click Install. Perfect, Git is now successfully installed on your machine. Check the box to launch Git Bash and click Finish. Once the Git Bash window opens up, you can go ahead and close it along with any release notes tabs in your browser. With Git ready to go, head back to the official Claude site and look for the Windows PowerShell command. Click the copy button to grab it. Next, go to your Windows search bar, type in PowerShell, and open up Windows PowerShell. Right-click inside the terminal to paste the command, then press Enter. This will instantly start downloading and installing Claude locally on your machine. Just make sure you stay connected to the internet while it processes. And just like that, the installation is complete. Next, let's verify where it was installed. It should be located in your user profile under the App Data Local Bin folder. Highlight and copy this file path. Open up File Explorer, paste it into the address bar, and hit Enter. You'll see the claude.exe file right there, confirming a successful install. To make sure we can run Claude from anywhere, we need to add this path to your system environment variables. Copy the directory path again, open your Windows search, and type environment variables. Open the System Properties window. Click on Environment Variables at the bottom, select the path variable, and click Edit. Click New, paste the path right here, and then click OK, and OK once more to save all your changes. Now, let's jump back into Windows PowerShell to test it out. Type Claude, help, and hit Enter. You should see the help documentation pop up immediately. You can verify this in the standard command prompt as well. Open up a regular command prompt window, type that exact same help command, and press Enter. Seeing this output means Claude Code is fully configured and ready to roll. Next, simply type Claude and hit Enter to launch it. Let's go ahead and maximize this window. Let's step through the initial setup. First, choose your preferred theme. You can easily toggle between light mode, dark mode, or even a colorblind friendly theme. I'm going to stick with the default dark theme for this walkthrough. Next, you'll need to authenticate your Claude account. You can sign in using a standard Claude subscription, an Anthropic console account, or through supported third-party providers. Choose whichever method fits your setup. Complete the sign-in process, and you're fully prepared to use Claude locally on your machine. That is exactly how you install and configure Claude Code on a Windows operating system. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to browse through the other AI guides on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next.